Hello everyone. So this is a tutorial on double exposure and it's my first tutorial. So here we go. The first thing I just want to tell you all that I am using many software for editing, mostly Adobe Photoshop, and I am doing all the editing stuff on my laptop. But for the sake of that you can edit on your mobile, so I'm using Snapseed, and it's a very user friendly, easy to use. So let's start. First you need to import the file. Okay, let's do it. And now you need to crop the image according to what you really want in the picture. And now the background picture is ready. uh, I just want to tell you all, like, must click a picture having plain background. Try to click a picture. If it is not a plain background, then definitely, like, this picture doesn't have a plain background. So I will show you that how will you make it correct, or either just click a picture in a clear background or white background, so it's easy to edit, and the object is must be in the focus. Okay, so let's do. Now, like, as I used a black and white picture because it's the easiest to edit in double exposure, but you can also use a colored photograph for the double exposure editing. So first thing when you do is to make all the background white, so that the object is the main focused in the picture. So to do that, go to tools and then choose brush, and for that just choose the exposure. Okay, just make it 1. So, and now after choosing exposure to the highest level, just paint it on your photo. As you can see, this side of the picture is completely white. Now paint on this side, and don't get worry if you paint on your main object. Okay, we can erase it afterwards. It's all right. And for that you need to do on this, and you can see where I painted. And if you want to erase the paint, just choose the eraser and just repaint on that side where you don't want your exposures to be. Okay, and then choose again the highest exposure and paint back in. And then again show the mask, and then you can again erase it as much as you want. Now save it. Okay, now the picture is a bit white. Choose a go to again brush, again exposure, again to the highest level, then paint back. Now choose a mask, then eraser, then just erase the part where you don't want your exposures to be. Okay, so just okay, now choose again, go to again brush, then again exposure, then to the highest level. Then you can see the background is getting white. Okay, so just here, some of here. Okay, so just go to mask and then razor, and now carefully raise where you don't want your exposure to be. Okay, editing is a slow process, but you can do that thing easily with your photograph, as I told you. Now save, and just do it once more. That's already done. Just choose. Now go to eraser, then erase a bit here. Okay, bit. Okay, so now it's done. Now what you need to do, you need to go to tools, and then you need to choose double exposure from here, and then here, then go to gallery and choose the other file which you want to be in the background. Okay, like I am choosing this photograph. Okay, so now you can like move the photograph according to your desire, what your perspective is, what you want the picture to be. Now you have different options. You can lighten, you can darken, add, subtract, overlay, but as I added, I choose lighten. So then you can even see what you want to, you know, what which picture you want to show the most, like this one or this one. But I choose the 50% ratio. So just move according to what you want your picture to be. Okay, like this one is also perfect, but you can even, move the picture according to your desire and just make it in your way, like this one. Okay, or either you can, now it's in your hand how you want your photo to be. Okay, so just edit it in that way that now just move a bit here. You just want, you don't want to lose the head portion. You want that portion in your picture. So just move it here and a bit here, bit here, bit here. Okay, just make it a large, bit large. I think this is perfect. So just, okay, and here it is. You can do according to your, so like you can even go back to your edits. Okay, then go to double exposure, then editing. You can even move your picture according to that, what what thing suits you the best, either this one or even this one. Okay, or you can also go in this way, this one, or you, that's in your hand what you really want to do. So for me, I think this one suits me the best. So even this one is good. You can even go and try this one, and go back, and then you just need to You can even do some other editings to make it, look great. Do some editings, change the ambience if you want to. Okay, like if you want more whitish look, you want more blackish look, so you can, go and change it according to that. So here's the final picture, so just export it and save.